Hey ladies, this is Tequila with Southern Twain. Today what I want to show you is how you can save money using Ebates. I know that you have seen the commercials, the women saying that they earn so much money cash back by just simply using Ebates when they make purchases online. Well, I'm here to tell you that it is true. You can earn money. Since I have been with Ebates, I have earned $112.56. And I also have an additional $24.01 that is going to be deposited into my PayPal account in August. So Ebates does work. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. Now, I want to show you the way that I use Ebates. I have Ebates on my iPhone as an app, but I also have it here on my Mac. And as you can see, this is a button. This is the Ebates button. So first, let me show you how you get to the button. Well, I'll show you the page that it's on. There will be a link in the post on my blog that has the exact link that you click on to get to this if you choose to install it on your computer. So you just simply click the button. This is Safari, which is what I use instead of using Chrome or Firefox. Because I have a Mac, I have Safari, so I would click on that if I have a Mac. If not, you just click the button and you go through the install process. I'm just going to scroll down so you can see what's on the page. It tells you that it automatically applies coupons, which is true. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is what it looks like when it's actually in use. So I have pulled up MAC Cosmetics, and as you can see, here's the Ebates logo. Now, they are telling us that if we push this button, we will be activating our 3% cash back. The amount of cash that you get back varies from site to site. Now, all sites are not participants in the Ebates program. So if nothing pops up when you go to a website, that is because they don't participate in the Ebates program, but Mac does. So if I knew that I really wasn't here to shop, I can just click activate later and this would disappear. But let's pretend that I am here to shop. So I click on the button, it refreshes, it's reiterating that we're getting 3% cash back. It tells us that our cash back is now active and it disappears. Simple. Now, as you can see here, my Ebates button has went from an exclamation point to a check mark. This check mark is letting me know that it's a confirmation, letting me know that Ebates has activated the account and whatever I purchase is going to count towards my cash back. And all that you do now is you simply shop and you check out, and that's it. So Ebates keeps up with all of your purchases, and they will deposit money back into your PayPal account, or you can choose to get a big fat check is what they call it. I believe it's every 3 months. The deposits happen every 3 months. And as long as you have a balance of $5.01 or more, you will get your money every 3 months. Okay, that is fairly simple. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I could tell you about it. Other than this, it's pretty simple. Okay, and you just remember to use your button to activate before you make the purchase, because if you don't do that, then you won't get your money back. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Feel free to drop me a line in the comment box or to email me. Thanks for joining.